Good morning students, this is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we learned 5 marks derivation theorem, right? In this class, we will discuss about the problems based on the equation of a line. Before that, we have one note point related to the previous derivation, that if L, M and N are the direction cosines of the line, then the equation of the line will be is, you just observe in our previous class what we have discussed. In Cartesian form, we have the equation of a line, that is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Here a, b, c are the direction ratios. Okay, if L, M, N are the direction cosines of the line, then the equation of the line will be x minus x1 by L equals to y minus y1 by M equals to z minus z1 by N. It is the equation of a line where a, b, c are the direction ratios. If L, M, N are the direction cosines of the line, then the equation of the line will be x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N. Okay. Next, once again you just write down the vector form and Cartesian form of the equation of a line which is passing through a point and it is parallel to the vector b. First, vector form. You just see the derivation of the previous one, you know it. What is the vector form? R vector equals to a vector plus lambda b vector, where lambda is a scalar. Here a vector or r vector, here r vector is the position vector x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Okay. Next, a vector is nothing but which is a line passing through the point A. This one already I told you in the previous one, that is the previous derivation. A vector is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Next, b vector, that is a parallel vector, which is a parallel vector to the line L. B vector a I cap plus y j cap, a I plus b j plus c k. Okay, understand? It is the vector form. What about the Cartesian form? Cartesian form of the equation of a line which is passing through a point and it is parallel to the vector b. Cartesian form is what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, where a, b, c are the direction ratios of the line. If the direction cosines are given, that is L, M, N, then what is the direction? What is the equation of a line? X minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N. Okay. These are the note points which is belongs to the previous derivation. Based on these note points, we are going to solve the problems. The first problem, find the vector and Cartesian form. Find the vector and Cartesian form or equation, Cartesian equation through the point 5, 2, minus 4, and which is parallel to the vector, which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Okay, here we have to find the vector and Cartesian equation. One point is given, that is a equation passing through the point and which is parallel to the vector. Solution which is a point passing through the point. This one will be x1 y1 z1, this one will be x1 y1 z1, this one will be a b c, a equals to 3, b equals to 2, c equals to minus 8. Before that, you just write down the given things. Let the point a, which is passing through the point, 5 2 minus 4, and it is the vector, parallel vector b vector equals to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Okay, here we have 5 minus 5 2 minus 4. x1 y1 z1 is what? x1 5, x1 is 5, y1 is 2, z1 is minus 4. Here x1 is 5, y1 is 2, z1 is minus 4. Here it is a vector a I plus b j plus c k. Okay, here we have a I plus b j plus c k. A is nothing but what? x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k. Based on this point, I am writing this one. B vector, that is a equals to 3, b equals to 2, c equals to minus 8. 3 2 minus 8. Okay. Now let us find out the vector form. Vector form is what? We know that vector form, we know that in the note point I already told you, vector form is what? R vector equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. R vector equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. We have to find the vector form. It is the vector form. We know that. In the problems also, you just write down, we know that R vector equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. Okay, understand? Now R vector equals to a vector. Here we have the point a. You just write this point in the vector form. A vector is nothing but which is a position vector. A vector is nothing but which is a position vector. That point we represent 5 2 minus 4. You just write down this one in vector form. Then what we will get? R. A vector is also can be written as x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, plus a vector is also written as, here I already told you, R vector is xi plus yj plus zk. A vector is x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k. B vector is ai plus bj plus ck. I am just substituting these vectors in this equation. In the problem I am doing that. Here in the problem I am doing that. Lambda into b vector. B vector is what? ai plus bj plus ck. Understand? That is equals to R vector equals to x1 I. x1 is what? 5 2 minus 4. You just represent this point in vector form. 5 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap plus lambda into, it is a vector b vector. Here we have the vector b. You just write down 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 8 k cap. Now you just simplify it. That is equals to R vector equals to, if you want to simplify, you can simplify, or else you can stop here itself. Okay, if you want to simplify, you can simplify like 5 plus 3 lambda. See, here we have 5 plus 3 lambda into I cap. You just multiply this lambda inside the brackets. In the last step you will get this 5 plus 3 lambda into I plus 2 plus 2 lambda into j cap plus minus 4 minus 8 lambda into k cap. if you are finding this step is difficult for you, you just stop here itself. You just stop here itself. Okay, it is the vector form. Next, what we have to find? Cartesian form. Cartesian form we have to find. Cartesian form. Cartesian form is what? X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. Now you just replace the values of x1, y1, z1 and a, b, c. Here we have x1, y1, z1, a, b, c. You just substitute it. X minus x1, what we have? X1 5 divided by a, what we have? 3 equals to y minus y1, what we have? Y1 2 divided by b, what we have? 2 equals to z minus z1, what we have? Minus 4 minus of minus 4 divided by, if minus is there you just be careful, divided by c. C what we have? Minus 8. C what we have? Minus 8. That's it. It is the vector form. Cartesian form. X minus 5 divided by 3, y minus 2 divided by 2, z minus of minus 4 is z plus 4 divided by minus 8. Hence it is the Cartesian form of the given problem. Okay, once again, here I have written vector form equation, here I have written Cartesian form equation. Next I am just substituting the given values in the problem. After the simplification, finally we get the vector form as well as the Cartesian form. Understand? And also it is the question important for 2 marks. Maybe in your examination, maybe he will ask only the vector form or the Cartesian form, he may ask. If they want to ask in your examination, maybe they will ask only one thing, either a vector form or a Cartesian form. Okay, it is the one important one, kindly mark it as an important problem. Next we will move on to the one more question based on this. Second question. Find, it is the second question is important for you. It is the second question homework for you. It is the second question homework for you. Find the vector and Cartesian. Find the vector and Cartesian equation through the point 1, 2, 3 and which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. This problem is very similar to the first one, just the values and the vectors are different. This one is homework. Kindly do this at your home. It is also important one. Maybe they will ask vector form or Cartesian form. Next we will move on to the third question. The Cartesian equation of a line, the Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 divided by 2, y minus 5 divided by 4, z plus 6 divided by 2. Find the vector equation for the line. Find the vector equation for the line. Okay, solution. You just observe this question with this one, you came to know the difference. Here we have to find vector and Cartesian equation. He given that the passing through the point and one parallel vector is given. Here in this problem the Cartesian equation is given. by using this Cartesian equation we have to find the vector equation. Okay, vector equation we have to find. First write down the given line, that is the Cartesian equation of a line. Given line is what? X plus 3 divided by 2 equals to y minus 5 divided by 4 equals to z plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, next, yes, we know that the Cartesian equation of a line is what? X minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z minus z1 by c, right? First we have to express this line in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. This also this equation I am rearranging in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay, here we have plus minus of minus 3 divided by 2, that is equals to y minus 5 divided by 4. X after minus should be there. If we want to rearrange the given equation, then after the x minus should be there, after the y minus should be there. Okay, similarly after z minus should be there. We have to rearrange like that, z minus of minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, it is the arrangement of the equation. Next, it is in the form of we know that it is in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay, this equation I already told you in the note point itself. Now compare this one with this equation. We just compare this one with this equation. X minus minus 3 we have, here we have x1. x1 is minus 3, y1 is plus 5, z1 is minus 6. z1 is minus 6. Okay, x1 is minus 3, y1 is plus 5, z1 is minus 6. Okay, x1 is minus 3, y1 is 5, z1 is minus 6. Next, a is what? 2, b is 4, c is 4. A is 2, b is 4, c is 2. Nothing I am doing, I am just comparing this equation with this equation. x1 minus 3, y1 plus 5, z1 minus 6. A is 2, b is 4, c is 2. Okay, now we have to find the vector equation. Vector form is what? We know that vector form is what? R vector equals to a plus lambda b vector. Now R vector equals to, this a vector is also can be written as x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda into b vector, which is a parallel vector, b ai plus b j plus c k. R vector equals to, you just replace x1 y1 z1 a b and c in this equation. That is the required equation of a vector equation. x1 is minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda into 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. It is a required equation of a vector, right? It is the procedure to find the vector equation if the equation is given in Cartesian, form. Understand? Once again, given line I have written that equation I rearranged like this. This equation I compared with this one. Next I identified x1, y1, z1, a, b and c. Next we know that the vector equation, it is the vector equation. I just substituted the values x1, y1, z1, a, b and c in this equation. After the simplification we will get the required vector equation. Hence it is the third one. Next question, fourth question. Fourth question. You just write down that third question without making any kind of mistakes. Write down the third question. Okay, now third one. Sorry, fourth one. Now fourth question. Now fourth question. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of line in vector and Cartesian form. In vector and Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap and in the direction I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now once again we just compare this equation, compare this problem with the previous one. You came to know the difference. Okay, procedure is very same, procedure is very similar, but the question will be different. You just see here position vector is given 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. First problem we have solved that the passing through the point he given 1 2 3 like he given. Here he given that position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. It is the parallel vector. Now write down the given things. We have to find the equation in vector and Cartesian form. Hints are given that position vector is given and the parallel vector is given. Two things are given. By using these two hints we have to find the vector and Cartesian form. First write down the given things. A vector equals to, it is passing through the point passing through the point 2 minus 1 4, which is a position vector. A vector equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. It is what? Parallel vector. B vector equals to I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Understand? This can also be written as, it is a vector form. Let us represent this one in Cartesian form. The point A 2 minus 1 4, 2 minus 1 4, j component is minus 1 plus 4. Now it is x1, y1, z1. It is A, B, C. x1 is plus 2, y1 is minus 1, z1 is plus 4. Next, what about this? A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 1. Understand? Now vector form. Find out the vector form. We know that r vector equals to a plus lambda b vector. R vector equals to a plus lambda b vector. R vector equals to a vector. Directly we have the a vector. You just write down 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda into b vector. We have the b vector, that is what? I cap plus 2j minus k. I plus 2j minus k, which is equation, which is a required equation, required vector form equation. Understood? Similarly find out what? Similarly find out Cartesian form. Similarly find out Cartesian form. Similarly find out the Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Yes. Now you remember the Cartesian form equation. Cartesian form equation is what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay. See here. Here we have x1 2, y1 minus 1, z1 plus 1, a1, b2, c minus 1. Okay. I am replacing in place of x1 with 2, y1 with minus 1, z1 with plus 4. At the same time, a with 1, b with 2, c with minus 1. Substitute it. Substitute the values of x1, y1, z1 and a, b, c. Then we will get x minus 2 divided by 1, y minus of minus 1 divided by 2 equals to z minus z1 is what? 4 divided by minus 1. Hence it is the required equation. Hence it is the required equation, right? Next question. Next question, that is the question homework for you. Kindly do this at your home. Fifth question, fifth one, the Cartesian equation of line is x minus 5 divided by 3, y plus 4 divided by 7, z minus 6 divided by 2. Find vector form of the line. Vector form of the line. It is a problem very similar to the third one. You just see the third one and do this problem. It is a problem homework. Okay. x1 is 5, y1 is minus 4, z1 is 6 plus 6, a is 3, b is 7, c is plus 2. By using these values you can easily find out the vector equation. Next question, sixth one, find the Cartesian equation of the line. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 divided by 3 equals to y minus 4 by 5 equals to z plus 8 divided by 6. Solution. Here we have to find the Cartesian equation. For to find the Cartesian equation, he given passing through the point parallel to the line is given. Here x1 is minus 2, y1 is plus 4, z1 is minus 5. For to find the Cartesian equation, what we require? You just recall the Cartesian equation form. We know that Cartesian equation form is what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. It is the required Cartesian equation. For to find this, what we require? x1, y1, z1. x1 y1 z1 is given in the problem, x1 y1 z1. Next what we want, a b c. A B C 3 5 6, that's it. X1 y1 z1, x1 is minus 2, y1 is plus 4, z1 is minus 5. X1 y1 z1 we have. Next what we want, A B C we want. A B C is given 3 5 6 are the ABC. A equals to 3, B equals to 5, C equals to 6. That's it. It is a required Cartesian equation. You just substitute the values x minus of in place of x1 put minus 2 divided by a, what we have, 3 equals to y minus y1, what we have, plus 4, y minus 4 divided by 5 equals to z minus z1 minus 5. If minus is there, you kindly keep it the brackets. C is what, 6, which is a required Cartesian equation. X minus into minus is plus, x plus 2 divided by 3, y minus 4 divided by 5, z plus 5 divided by 6, which is a required Cartesian equation, Understood? Kindly note down this problem. By using this point we identified x1 y1 z1. By using this line we identified a b c, that is the direction ratios of the line. It is the required equation of Cartesian form. We substituted the values of x1 y1 z1 a b c. Finally we got the Cartesian equation. Understand? Yes. You just practice these questions at your home. You feel very easy to solve the questions. It is the class for today. In the next class we will derive the one more derivation, that is also an important derivation. Okay dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class we will discuss. Thank you.